Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy Pellin and Hawthorne. I am here with another unboxing. This ship from Lexington, Kentucky to South Bend, Indiana. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'm guessing it's for my new phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This is an Amazon Prime. Oh, nope, it's not a new phone. It's some jerky. A new item for the phone. It's some jerky. This is jalapeno carne seca beef jerky. I'm actually intermittent fasting at the moment, so I cannot unfortunately do a taste test and review, but you guys want to see my taste test and review of this, it'll be uploaded very, very soon. I love Jacklinks. I wish I was sponsored by them, but alas, I am not. If you want to, let me know. If you have a jerky you want me to do a review of, or you want to send me some jerky, let me know. I've had this years ago, and it was delicious. It is definitely spicy, not overwhelming. I'm a heat freak. I love spice. I've had ghost peppers, jalapenos, obviously. This is just one of the spicier I've had. There's also a new wild heat one out, which I have in my pantry, which I need to do a review of very soon. What's some of your favorite jerky? What do you think of this? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you want to help support my channel, send me some jerky. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. You could use my username London Hawthorne on sites like riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice. Save a couple bucks when you use my username as your coupon code. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great one.